Changing your profile picture on ProtonMail is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your profile image easily. Step 1. Log into your ProtonMail account. Open your web browser and navigate to the ProtonMail website. Enter your credentials to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, usually represented by gear symbol. Click on it to open the account settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to the profile section. In the settings menu, find the section labeled Profile or Account. Click on it to access your profile settings. Step 4. Upload a new profile picture. Look for the option to change or upload a profile picture. Click on the Upload button and select the image file you wish to use from your device. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save button or confirmation prompt to ensure your new image is applied. Now your profile picture on ProtonMail is updated. Enjoy your new look and feel free to revisit these steps whenever you want to make changes again.